may sound crazy, but you can do this too. All of it. It's easy. How do we know? Because we've made it easy. At DJI, we created the flying camera as you know it. And there's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our cameras. This time, we started small, so you can dream big. We created your first personal drone, but we're still squeezing in big power. It automatically follows you or whatever you want, without a bracelet or tracker, avoids obstacles, and comes packed with a 4K stabilized camera, 27-minute flight time, and a whole lot more. This is the DJI Mavic Pro, and this is the DJI Mavic Pro Unfolded. To make it this small, we had to rip out a ton of cool stuff, right? No, it's got 24 high-performance computing cores, dual satellite connectivity, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3-mile range, 4 vision sensors, and more. Sound complicated? It's not. It's easy. The Mavic knows where it takes off from, where it is in the air, where it's going, and what it's capturing. When you take off, the Mavic uses 2 vision sensors and connects with up to 20 satellites, all so it can remember your location. This means the Mavic knows where home is, so it can return by itself. Precision landing technology means it can land almost exactly where you took off, at the touch of a button. As you fly, satellite systems keep track of you, working in harmony with all 4 vision sensors, telling it what's below and what's in front. Whether you are flying beside a cliff, in a forest, or even indoors. Just like you, Mavic sees and thinks. That means it can avoid the things in its path, from trees to walls. Any good flying camera needs stabilization. The Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady. Unlike electronic stabilization, you use every pixel from the sensor, and you don't have the weight of a bulky add-on camera. Shooting an epic tracking shot of a friend is easy. Active track technology means it just takes a few taps. Not just one kind of tracking shot either. It's got spotlight, profile, and trace. Or use tap fly to tap and fly. Terrain follow mode keeps the Mavic at a height you define as the ground rises, so you can focus on your shot, not your height. Everything can be controlled using a gamepad-sized controller you can keep in your pocket. It opens up to clamp around your phone and has been custom engineered to give you more feedback and more accuracy. You will always feel in control. If you don't want to bother with the controller, fly using virtual joysticks right from your phone over Wi-Fi. Whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, active track modes are ready to make you shoot like a pro. Want to be on camera, not behind it? It just takes a wave and a gesture. Then there's the new DJI goggle. Strap these on to really feel like you're flying. Combine them with sport mode to get your pulse pumping while you fly at an incredible 40 miles per hour. Once you've got your shots, edit everything together in DJI Go and share or even stream your flight live to Facebook or YouTube. Inspiration can strike from the smallest thing: a sketch, a feeling, an experience. The Mavic has been designed for you to take it anywhere, ready at a moment's notice, whenever inspiration strikes you to create something truly great. DJI Mavic, wherever you go.
As humans, we strive to connect with one another. We gather as friends to share experiences and make memories. We travel to awe-inspiring places to find inspiration. No matter what we're doing, we're always documenting and sharing those experiences. It's in our nature. Whether it's on social media or with friends in person, you now have the opportunity to capture aerial shots and share like never before. Introducing Breeze, the flying camera designed with you in mind. Both convenient and compact, Breeze is controlled by your iOS or Android device with the Breeze Cam app and weighs just under 1 pound. Capture aerial photos and video of your daily adventures effortlessly and do it in stunning 4K ultra high definition. Simply take Breeze out of the box and let it fly. Use one of the flying camera's 5 automated flight modes to capture unique shots. Use selfie and orbit modes to take dramatic aerial group photos and video, or use follow me mode to grab compelling aerial footage of your action sports adventures. The shots that previously would have required a skilled pilot are now accessible with a click of a button. Live in the moment and let Breeze do the work. Once you've captured photos and videos with Breeze, download and share them via your favorite social media quickly and easily. You can write a personalized message and share instantly, all without leaving the app interface. It's that simple. At Unique, we value your safety. Safety is a top priority in the design of every product we make, including Breeze. Breeze has optical flow and infrared positioning sensors that allow it to hold its position both indoors and outdoors, making it safe for any occasion. You can fly with ease knowing that Breeze won't drift, no matter your environment. Additionally, there is an auto landing and auto return to home feature. No flight experience is necessary. Whether you're adventuring with friends, out solo, or spending time with family, capturing the moments worth remembering are easier than ever. With endless possibilities, what will you capture?
Ever wish you could just take off and fly like a bird? Exploring the world around you without limits. Imagine being able to soar over the tallest skyscraper, dodging birds with ease. Well, brace yourself. That time is here. Get ready to fly without your feet leaving the ground. Introducing Flyby, the world's first ever flying drone with augmented reality goggles that allow you to experience the magic of flight firsthand. What's the difference between Flyby and other drones? Flyby is not just another cool product. Our team of passionate drone enthusiasts, professional engineers, and software developers have worked hard to deliver the best flight experience ever. We combined a next-generation drone control system with obstacle avoidance sensors and virtual reality goggles, creating an experience you will never forget. So how's it work? Snap on the goggles to see a high-definition image, transmitted from the 1080p 12-megapixel camera located on the drone to the two internal screens. The direction of the camera on the Flyby is controlled by a gyro inside the goggles and will mirror the pilot's head movements during flight. The drone's eyes now become your eyes, allowing you to freely explore from the sky above and snap photos and videos of what you see while in flight. Our innovative flight control system, in combination with obstacle avoidance ultrasonic sensors, will keep the drone safe, stable, and correct any of your piloting errors, allowing you to relax and fully enjoy the experience of flight straight out of the box, without any training needed or worry over damaging your flyby. But that's not all. Now you can share the experience of flying with others. Download the Flyby app on your phone and stream live video of your flight, allowing anyone to join in along with you on your aerial adventure. Just snap your smartphone into the virtual reality goggles and jump right into the flight. Thanks to live streaming video technology, not only can others join in your flight path, but they can also switch back and forth between the flights of different flybys, right from any TV or smart device. Based on the success of our previous crowdfunding campaign, Flyby is already a reality. With the funding we're seeking from Kickstarter, we'll be able to further develop Flyby's video streaming technology, giving you the ability to see and share from the air. By backing our project, you're not just purchasing some drone, you are experiencing the amazing world of Flyby, where the skies are no longer the limit.
This company, this drone, it really just started from my own love of flying. I moved to Utah and my parents had this huge backyard, and all I could think about was flying. That feeling drove me. I just got obsessed with flying faster, doing new things, sharing them with the kids I raced with. I thought about it before I went to bed and couldn't wait to fly in the morning. For me, flying drones is really the most fun thing I can imagine. So I decided to make a new drone because my imagination just took me there. I made a list, and that turned into a bigger list. I got a few people behind me and we said, why not? Let's make a drone for the world to fly. This is really my dream come true. It's the dream of what a drone could be. It's fast, it can withstand 40-mile-an-hour winds, it's built to run as many apps as you can think of, and it has a supercomputer on board that lets it do things that no other drone can do. Dreaming and innovating drives me. The joy I get from flying fulfills me. Every time I fly, it's like the first time all over. I don't know. It's really hard to describe with words. It's just that feeling you get when you're expecting something great to happen, and then it exceeds your expectations. It's like that. Pure joy. And you can't hold it back.